though, away from the economic data is the political story that's emerging. A series of former Prime Ministers urging Prime Minister May to reconsider her approach to Brexit, maybe collaborate with other MPs in other parties. Then you've got the likes of Macron, Schäuble, saying the door's still open for a U-turn. What does this all mean for the Brexit negotiations that are set to begin quite soon?
Well, I think that there's two messages coming out of the last few days. One is that the Conservative Party is really rallying around Theresa May. There's no appetite for another election anytime soon. So investors and everyone else, I think, should now be betting on this government lasting a reasonably long time, certainly longer than the few months that some were thinking straight after the election came out. But you're absolutely right. We've got clarity on the government, perhaps, for a while, but no clarity at all on the position on Brexit. Theresa May has herself said that she's still on plan with what she said in her speech in January, what we would consider quite a hard form of Brexit that she sketched out there. There are a lot of voices calling for a more measured position. I think what we're going to discover, though, is that there were reasons why she'd taken that harder position, because that middle way between being in the EU and being completely out, where you get the advantages of the single market or at least the customs union, but not the disadvantages, the Europeans have often suggested they weren't really willing to give that to the UK. So although many who were concerned about the economic impact on the UK of Brexit might be feeling a bit more optimistic at this talk of a softer Brexit, we have to wait and see whether that turns out to really be a credible option.